A very good morning to all of you. We are at the last point of Unit 1. In today or tomorrow lecture, it will get finished. So, you prepare Unit 1 notes and I will give you assignment you have to do and submit as I provide you one Google form. Submit your assignment on that. Okay. See, this is some syllabus get deducted from your syllabus, the revised syllabus. In revised syllabus you have to the recursion, we already studied about recursion. You have to eliminate that from the, don't study this topic. Okay, recursion, idea of efficiency, I will not give you video on that, but recursion I already uploaded, so don't do the part of recursion from the function. Okay, eliminate that part. Now in data structure, what it's saying that you have either a stack or a queue, and in question paper they will provide you option that you have to choose a stack or a queue. Okay, so we will do with stack. We will see stack, how the function stack work. Okay, so remember you have to do data structure, basic data structure part, and in that you have to complete stack. Fine, you have option you want to do stack or a queue, but I will provide a lecture on stack. Okay, so now come to, yeah, yes, data structure. We will see the basic what is data structure. The logical and or mathematical model of a particular organization of data is called data structure. It is a way of storing, accessing, manipulating data. Okay, if suppose we will not arrange our data, uh, then how we will can access? If we will take very simple example at home, if we not organize our things, if we not organize our books, one book is in this cupboard, another book, so you have to search and it will consume time, lot of time. Okay, so it's better if you organize your things in a proper way, then it is easy to search anything. Fine, the similarly data structure is a model for a particular organization of data. Fine, it's and it is a way of storing, accessing, and manipulating data. Once again I am saying that data structure is the logical or a mathematical model of a particular organization of data. See here, type of data structure. There are two type of data structure basically. One is linear and another one is non-linear. Simply, what is linear data structure? In linear data structure, the elements are in a sequence. Okay, they are in proper sequence. They are not distributed or not jumbled. So we can say a linear data structure where all the elements in the data structure create a sequence. Okay, and what are the linear data structure? Array, linked list, stack, queue. Fine. Now come to non-linear data structure. Non-linear is data structure. The data is not in sequential form. The data is not in sequential form. So these are the non-linear. The basic difference between linear data structure and non-linear data structure is that the sequence in linear data structure the data is in sequence form, but in non-linear it's just a vice versa of linear. Fine. So there are two type of data structure in non-linear data structure. One is tree and another one is graph. See, once more time, linear data structure. It is simple data structure. The element in data structure create a sequence. Okay, example array, linked list, stack, queue, and you all studied these data structure in your 11th class. So if you want to have a look, you can just revise from your 11th class book. Okay, non-linear data structure, the data is not in a sequence form. These are multi-level data structure. example tree or a graph. What operation you can do on a data structure? Traversing. What is traversing? Just accessing each record exactly once. जो भी तुम्हारा record है, either it's in form of array or tree or any format, okay, linked list, queue, in any format, you have to access each record, each data exactly one. एक बार तुम्हें हर डेटा को रीड करना होगा, ट्रेवर्स एक्सेस करना होगा, ओके, दैट इज ट्रेवर्सिंग. इंसर्शन, as the name suggested, just add a new element to the data structure. Okay, deletion, removing element from the data structure. Searching, search the element. And in searching we can do searching by two methods. One is your linear search, another one is your binary search. Sorting is just arranging the element in ascending form and descending form. Okay, sorting, you have to arrange in some order, either it's in increasing order or in decreasing order. Merging, merging means you have to merge something in between. Okay, so joining two data structure of same type, you are merging. Fine. Now array, array in linear data structure, one dimensional and two dimensional. As I told you in syllabus, only basic thing will come, but operation on stack or queue, it's optional, you have to choose stack or a queue. So just for both we are going through the data structure, just remembering our 11th class things. Okay, revising our things. Array, list in data structure. An array of a list is a collection of element in order where there are two type of arrays. One is one dimensional, another one is multi-dimensional. It can be 2D array, 3D array, like two dimensional, three dimensional. For one dimensional, you have program for traversing. It will not now in your syllabus, so we will not do this thing. Okay, programming is not, we will just read the theoretical part. So linear search versus binary search. Linear search means accessing of element in sequential form, and in binary search it can access any element in random form. Fine. uh, Suppose this is, see, look at this example. What linear search, it will in some format, if I started from here, it will first access this element, then this. But in binary search it can start from the mid or from the start point, anywhere from the data. Okay, so second point, element may or may not be in sorted order. Fine. See here, is it in sorted order? Yeah, it's in sorted order. If it's in jumbled, like 23 comes before 11, then it's not in sorted form. Binary search, element must be in sorted order, either ascending or descending, like this. In binary search, it should be in sorted order. Take some time to search an element. What happened in linear search? It take more time, but in binary search, because it's random, so it take less time to search an element. But linear search is easy because you have to access each element from the starting or from the ending. But in binary search it's a bit tricky because you can start from any point. Efficient for small array, it is very good for if your data is small, but binary search is efficient for larger array. Now sorting. What is sorting? To arrange an element in ascending or descending order. There are many sorting techniques. Here we will discuss only two techniques, that are bubble sort and insertion sort. Okay, what bubble sort says? Bubble sort is a simple sorting algorithm. It is based on comparison, with each element is compared to its adjacent element and the element are swapped if they are not in proper order. Fine, program will not come, so we will not discuss programming insertion. Sort the element by shifting them one by one and inserting element in right portion. Okay, first we will go to 5, then it look for 2. It will see if it is greater or smaller than. If it is smaller than, it will insert, change the position, and so on. This is just a logic of insertion sort. Now, multi-dimensional array. A list can hold another list as it its element is known as multi-dimensional. See here in this example, if you see, this is one array, okay, but inside this array we have two more arrays. This is your multi-dimensional array. A list is another list considered as an element. Fine. Now come to point. We will do stack. What is stack? First of all, stack is a linear data structure. Okay, stack is a list of elements in which an element may be inserted or deleted only at once. Because this diagram we are showing you, this is the diagram of stack. As it will uh, the number entered, number will be on the top. If second number entered, it will be on the top. Third number entered, again it will be on top, and so on. Okay, it's just a push. But when we pop, we can't pop the first number we entered. Okay, that's why it's called LIFO, last in. Which number is last in, it will be out first, because it is on the top of the stack. Fine. So stack is a list element in which an element may be inserted or deleted only at one end. This is only the end where from where we can insert or remove an element. We just follow the principle last in, first out. As I told you that this number is last in, and if we remove the number, it will be out first. Okay, the number last in will be out first. There are two basic operations associated with stack. One is push. Push is used for insertion. Another one is pop, that is used for deletion. Fine. See here, push. When you are inserting element, your stack, here your stack is empty. Now you want to push 2, insert 2 on your stack. You just push 2 number. Now you want to insert 5, you push 5 on the top of 2, and so on. When pop, we will see, now we will see the function pop, how it will work. That on the top of your stack, if on the top of your stack 7 is present, fine, you can pop. How you pop? See here, when it pop 1, fine, it pop 1. Now on the top of your stack is 7. It's saying push 21. Now on the top of 7, it's 21. Again pop 21, it will pop, it will remove 21. Now again it's saying pop 7. So it will remove 7, pop 5, it will remove 5. Now on your stack only 2 is presented. Fine. See the program of stack. How? You have to take list, because you are seeing that elements are inserted, pushing or popping. We are doing only two function. One is pushing and another one is popping. So take one list, find insert element, and you have to take empty list. As I told you that stack is empty in the starting position. Fine. When just take a empty list. Here define one function, that is push. Push item, whatever number you want to insert, just push that number. And what it will did, it will append the number to the list. Okay, it will append the number to the list. Def pop means delete an element. It just return l dot pop, it will return that number. Def peak is just check the value of top. Peak function we are taking because it will check the value of top. As we are popping the element, the value will, the list of the number of elements in the list will decrease, and if when we insert, the number of element will increase. So peek function is just check the value of top. Depth size of the stack, total number, it will show, give you total number of elements in a stack. Fine. Q in Python. Introduction. Q, now Q we don't, okay, Q will not cover because it's not in flavors. We will do till stack, and I told you push and pop function how they will work on stack program. I will give you uh, on the group. Fine. So have a good day. Complete your all the notes till Monday. Submit on the Google form and complete your assignment. You have 2 more days to do your work, and I will see all the work submitted till Monday. I will check on Monday. Fine. Now have a good day.